I visited Moonleaf Tea Shop dito sa Matatag, Quezon City. Follow their Facebook page at ang kagandahan dito, no, very Instagrammable. Sa labas pa lang, pwede na kayo mag-picture taking. I love the artwork, super creative. Tara na, pasok tayo sa loob. Very accommodating and friendly ang staff nila dito sa Matatag, Quezon City branch. So ang order ko po is Winter Melon series na milk tea and yung bago nilang Lunar Coffee which is Spanish Latte. Yun daw kasi yung best seller nila. Showing you yung Winter Melon series nila. Iba't ibang klase plus may mga different kinds of milk tea rin. Marami kayong pagpipilian guys. Plus yung kanilang bagong signature and classic Lunar Coffee na bago nilang labas. So ayan o yung mga choices. So ano pang hinihintay nyo? Visit Moonleaf Tea Shop na!